our sea lion friends one at a time. And let's start in your left. She is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here, and her name is none other than Isis. And she's the prettiest. How about a sweet smile for your guest?
Dito ka, be.
Nice
Dito ka, be.
smile. Together with Isis is her trainer, Mark. Hi. Wave on back, guys. I'm sure they love that. Thank you very much. And on the other side is one of the youngest female sea lion that we have here. And she is the naughtiest, see that? And her name is none other than Yenny, and she loves to jump and swim around, of course. Together with Yenny is her trainer, none other than Dennis. So whenever Yenny is ready, there you go. Take your seat, buddy.
Galing ah. Saan si JB?
Okay, you love to dance? That's okay. Ah, you want the ball? Okay. Now it's there. By the way, folks, here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 6 South American sea lions, consist of 5 females and only 1 male. And there goes Yenny! Wow, wow! I want a big hand for Yenny. Thank you very much, ladies. Okay, now, folks, do you have any idea why they are called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Anyone? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Hey, ladies, you have feathers? No, well, it's definitely because of their front flippers. Show them. There you go, which are shaped like a bird's wing. Thank you very much. Now, the term pinniped may also be translated as wing-footed, since the flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, sea lions appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right, ladies? Yes. Now, sea lions are often mistaken as seals, but they are not. Now, folks, one of the differences between seals and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, first your back flippers, there you go, which our seals cannot do. As a result, sea lions can walk upright while on land. Check this out.
Lakad siya, be, oh.
Wow, what a fine demonstration. How about a big hand for Yenny and Icy? And you know what, folks? They have this long and flexible neck. So Isis, whenever you're ready, show them. See? Well, what can you say? That's not easy. How about a big hand for Icy? Now their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair, just like mine. Just kidding. Their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. It contains nerve fibers which make them smile. I mean sensitive. Nice smile. Very black teeth. They may use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the surface of the water. There goes Yenny. Now, sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but unfortunately, according to the studies, no color visions, right? Yes. Now, in the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat rocky cliffs, with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, and you know what? They can easily scale rocky cliffs. Oh, great balancing. Thank you very much, guys. Now, since Yenny is in the water, let's talk about their swimming abilities. Now, folks, did you know that sea lions, they generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of the front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that's their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you very much, Yenny. Hey, but you know what? When chasing their prey or escaping predators, they can achieve a burst speed of up to 25 miles per hour. Wow, and going back. And that is surely a fast swim. How about a big round of applause for Yenny and Isis for that fast swim. Thank you very much, guys. Good job there, ladies. One more for Isis, please. Okay, now here's an interesting anecdote about the sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part on their special operations? Now, sea lions can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Okay?
Sige, thank you.
Again, if you're ready to swim around, the Isis. Ready, salute! Thank you very much. Now, let's march. Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, 3, 4. Attention! Thank you very much, girls. Now, folks, would you please join our Sea Lion friends in a salute? Lahat po tayo in a count of 3, ha? And please count with us. Are you ready? Okay, let's count out loud. Let's start counting. 1, 2,